Change the theme on Snapchat. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back again with more of video. And in this video I show how you can change the theme of your Snapchat, put it on dark theme or a custom theme. Do you like videos like this type here on the channel? Already has other related videos. Subscribe to the channel. Leave the like. I'm always making videos to help you guys. So let's go. I'm going to click here on top in the photo of my profile, and then you're going to click guy here on top in settings on this gear icon. In settings you'll scroll, and until you find, guys, this option appearance of the app, will click, and the appearance of the app you can switch to the dark theme by clicking here. Always dark and click. Now the custom theme that you can pay $12.50 a month and change the theme in the style that you want. Click here to advance. So here's a monthly plan for $2.50 a month, and you can start the theme with a free trial here below. I'm just going to prefer the dark theme, guys. I'm going to click here, always dark, and I'm going to restart Snapchat. Click restart. Now if I return, click here in the photo of my profile. The dark theme of Snapchat should appear. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm going to stay here. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks, guys.